In this video of Linear Programming Part 2, we will discuss about general form of linear programming problem, what are slack and surplus variables, and standard form of linear programming problem. The standard form of linear programming problem is used to develop the procedure for solving the general linear programming problem of n variables. So, first we will go through the general form of linear programming problem. Let z be a linear function on Rn, which is defined by z is equal to c1 x1 plus c2 x2 plus dot 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 plus cn xn, where ci's are constants. Let aij be an m cross n matrix, and let b1, b2 till bm be a set of constants such that a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus dot dot plus a1n xn less than equal to or greater than equal to b1. a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a2n xn greater than equal to, less than equal to, or equal to b2. Carrying on, am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus amn xn either less than equal to, greater than equal to bm. Finally, let xi be greater than equal to 0, where I is from 1 to n. Let us take this z to be 1, this to be 2, and this to be equation number 3. The problem of determining an n tuple, that is x1, x2, xn, which makes this z a maximum or minimum, and which satisfies equation 2 and 3, is called the general linear programming problem. So this is the definition of general linear programming problem. Now all the constants may be in equations of less than equal to or greater than equal to type. It would be nice if we could have them in the form of equations. We will see now what are slack and surplus variable. So let us start with slack variables. If a constant has less than equal to sign, then in order to make it an equality, we have to add something positive to the left hand side. So what is slack variable? The non-negative variable which is added to the left hand side of the constant to convert it into equation is called the slack variable. Now let us consider the example. We will consider the constant x1 plus x2 less than equal to 2, 2x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 5, and x1, x2 greater than equal to 0. Now, to remove the inequality sign, we add the slack variable x3 and x4, which is greater than equal to 0 on the left hand side of the inequalities, and to obtain this equation, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2, 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x4 is equal to 5, where x1, x2, x3, x4 are all greater than equal to 0. So the slack variables here are added to make the inequation the equation. Now let us move to the definition of surplus variable. if a constant has greater than equal to sign, then in order to make it an equality, we have to subtract something non-negative from the left hand side. So what is a surplus variable? The positive variable which is subtracted from the left hand side of the constant to convert it into equation is called the surplus variable. So let us see one example. We will consider the constants x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 2, 2x1 plus 4x2 greater than equal to 5, x1 and x2 is greater than equal to 0. Now here we will subtract the surplus variable. So we will take two surplus variables x3 and x4 from the left hand side of the inequality, and then we will obtain x1 plus x2 minus x3 is equal to 2, 2x1 plus 4x2 minus x4 is equal to 5, where x1, x2, x3, x4 all greater than equal to 0. So this is how what is surplus variable and slack variable. Now the standard form of LPP. The standard form of linear programming problem is used to develop the procedure for solving the general linear programming problem of n variables. So the characteristics of standard form are in the following steps. So we'll go through the steps now. Step 1. All the constants should be converted into equations except for the non-negativity restrictions which remain as inequalities. Let us see one example. Here 3x1 minus 4x2 is greater than equal to 7. x1 plus x2, 2x2 is less than equal to 3. These constants can be changed to equations by introducing slack variable, surplus variable, x3 and x4 respectively. Thus, on introducing the slack and surplus variable, the inequation becomes 3x1 minus 4x2 minus x3 is equal to 7. x1 plus 2x2 plus x4 is equal to 3, where x3 is greater than equal to 0 and x4 is greater than equal to 0. So this is the first step. The second step, the right side element of each constant should be made non-negative if it is not given. So let us see one example. We'll consider the constant 3x1 minus 4x2 is greater than equal to minus 4. So here the right side element is negative. By introducing surplus variable, since the sign is of greater than equal to, we'll introduce surplus variable, and on introducing the surplus variable, it becomes 3x1 minus 4x2 minus x3 is equal to minus 4. Again what we will do, we will multiply both sides by minus 1, and then we will get minus 3x1 plus 4x2 plus x3 is equal to 4, which is the constant equation in standard form. So this was the second step. Third step is all the variables must have non-negative values. Let us move to the fourth step. the objective function should be of maximization form. The minimization of a function fx is equivalent to the maximization of the negative expression of this function fx. So min of the function fx should be written in minus of max of the negative of the function. For example, the linear objective function min z, if it is given c1x1 plus c2x2 plus cnxn, it is equivalent to max of minus z. That is, if minus z is z dash, max z dash will be equal to minus c1x1 minus c2x2 and minus cnxn. So these are the 4 steps to form the standard form of general linear programming problem. So what are standard form of general linear programming problem? By applying the above steps to the general form of linear programming problem with all constraints, the following form is obtained, which is the standard form. Maximum of z is equal to c1x1 plus c2x2 plus cnxn plus 0xn plus 1 plus dot dot plus 0xn plus n. Subject to the constraints a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a1nxn plus xn plus 1 is equal to b1, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus dot 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 plus a2nxn plus xn plus 2 is equal to b2. Similarly, on moving further, am1x1 plus am2x2 plus dot 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 plus amnxn plus xn plus 1 n plus m is equal to bm, where x1, x2, xn, xn plus 1, xn plus m all are greater than equal to 0. So this is the standard form of general linear programming problem. So we have discussed here that what is a general linear programming problem, what are slack and surplus variables, and then after following the steps we have formed the standard form of linear programming problem. Thank you.